That's what sign is used for. So the Bible says the curse is going to be upon the nation of Israel for a sign. So you can know who the Israelites are in the last days. Let's see some of these signs. Give me verse 48.
Verse 48. Therefore shalt thou serve thine enemies, which the Lord shall send against thee, in hunger and in thirst and in nakedness and in want of all things. And he shall put a yoke of iron upon thy neck until he have destroyed thee.
So this nation of people that would come against the Israelites, the Bible says they would put yokes of iron upon the neck of the Israelites. They would put yokes of iron upon the necks of the Israelites until they are destroyed as a people. Until they are destroyed as a people. So when you look at history, what nation of people went into slavery, into captivity with yokes of iron?